Welcome.
Hello guys, what is going on guys? Back with another video. And today we are gonna be making some fried oats. Now I know. You probably are wondering, what is that? And we're gonna show you how to make it and how to prepare it and all those sorts of things. So first, really what you need is some Quaker oats.
Some Quakers.
Quakers. Old-fashioned, always. 100% whole grain oats. Never. If it's not the 100%, can't do it. All right, here we go.
Kill yourself.
All right. Max, would you tell them the next step?
We're gonna get ourselves a pan.
That one looks good to me.
Does this look good?
Yep, that pan, if you guys have a pan like this, that would be very preferable. And if you have a griddle, you're gonna move your teapot.
It's crazy.
And put it on, nope, not that one, this one.
Sorry. You never want to leave the handle out, because if you combine...
Never leave the handle out.
It's
always,
broken.
that's cooking 101.
And it's crazy.
Yeah, we're making fried oats.
Where's your mixer?
Hello, yes.
Where's your mixer still?
What mixer?
Are we gonna mix it like this?
Yeah, you're gonna need a spoon, and it needs to be...
And we're gonna use this spoon.
It needs
It's
to
red
be
and wooden, and one
Hey,
thing...
could you hit me in my butt with that? Thanks.
Sure.
Oh, yeah!
One thing that's crazy about this is, if it's a messy spoon, you see this hole right here.
The hole?
You can just put your messy spoon in there.
And it cleans it.
Oh, it doesn't fit because your spoon's retarded.
Okay, well, you know...
Maybe we should do a different.
No, look, that's where you stick it in.
No, it's this. See this? Stick it in. What the fuck?
That's where you stick it in.
No, you're supposed to go like that. Thanks.
All right. Hello, guys. We're back with the next ingredients. Now we have butter. Now you can use any butter, whether it's flavored or not. And today we have the Trader Joe's brown sugar and cinnamon butter spread. So we're gonna test that out. So we're gonna open it up. First step, get your butter. Doesn't matter what flavor. Again. Okay. Move.
Pan's not on you, Spin.
We know.
We don't.
You're gonna get a fork for good time's sakes. Turn on your stove. I suggest going down to about a level of 2 or 3. In between that 2 and 3, 4 range. I suggest getting a good old chunk of butter out first. Letting it nice and simmer over the...
That's a lot of butter.
Yeah, I know. Probably need a little bit more. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so we have the butter simmering, and we'll get back to you when it's nice and melted and creamed. The butter is simmering. Just stir it around with your fork or spork or spoon or knife or
Juice.
Or juke. So as you see,
Get some juice out for our drink.
Okay, so the next step is adding the oats. Very simple, not that hard. I suggest you do it. Maybe cut this big chunk in half.
Don't forget your most important ingredient.
What is it? Ew, we're not putting that in it.
Just kidding.
All right. Hello. No, it actually has to be facing.
Okay, go.
Are you sure? Here, let me see. Okay. All right, guys. So now we got our Quaker oats. Okay, so now you add your Quaker oats. So as you see, the butter is simmered over here. Come. Here we go.
All right, now that
They're
it's
getting
all on one
pretty
side, you're
close.
gonna want to even it out and just.
Yeah, sickle. All right, guys, make sure you have your bowls ready. Whether you're just one person, maybe you're alone, maybe this is your Netflix snack. Who knows? It's just a great thing to have.
Oh my gosh, Andrew, you forgot the last.
I hope I'm not on video. Hello, fried oats are done. Look at that. I think they look good to me. And here we are with Max with the review.
I see that there's some oats in my bowl. Not liking that too much.
Yeah, I know. First impressions? It's dry, isn't it?
It's dry.
It's meant for camping, let's say.
It's very
It's good though, and it's actually kind of healthy too. So if you're ever on an adventure, maybe you want some fried oats. Okay.